I can show you some images
Sure.
if you would be interested. This is a part where C. elegans took almost 20 years for understanding the connectomics, where there were only 302 neurons.
For 300 neurons, it took 20 years.
Yes. The second example that you see here is 12 years it took for Drosophila melanogaster to understand the
Fruit
fly. We have not understood mouse brain connectomics yet, and not in our generation, maybe not in next generation, and maybe not in the next generation of that as well. We would be able to understand completely the human connectomics.
And it's a century big project, human connectomes.
It is.
Connectomics, like it's a very interesting term. What is connectomics? What are we trying to understand about the brain?
It is like mobile network, or you can say a traffic network. So many parts of the brain are working simultaneously. So how they are functioning and how they are connected together. Connection word comes from there. So for language, if there are 5-6 area in my brain, which is not just 5-6, actually 5-6 bundles of areas are there, which is millions of neurons shooting together to make that language speaking possible for me.
Wow.
That is one connectome. That is language connectome. And therefore the two components of the connectomics that we are exploring is both structural and functional. And there are huge connectomics projects going on throughout the world. They are slicing the parts of the brain to understand how it is connected, and electron microscopy is used to understand the directions of it. However, what we are doing is slightly at a macro level, coming out at a level of taking pictures, how satellite takes the pictures of Earth, similarly taking macro pictures of the brain and understanding how it is connected at a connection level. That is the structural level. Second, at the functional level, we utilize something what we consume. We consume oxygen in the brain. That is what MRI is capturing. Like I'm speaking right now, I'm consuming a lot of oxygen in certain areas of my brain because my language region of the brain is activated. So where the consumption of oxygen is more, that is how we are capturing the details of language network in the brain. Now people have started looking into brain-computer interface along with this, because let's say if somebody is unable to move their legs and they have to install a prosthetic, then maybe they will look into leg movement connectome. So leg is a part of motor connectome. Brain connectomics also have a huge implication on BCI, prosthetics, and so many more.
You said fruit fly having around few thousand neurons took 12 years to decode, and they might have around few million neural networks, connections. If you scale that to human brain, is it just a scaling problem in human, or when you scale a brain of that size, is it just structural scaling or some more complexities involved when